Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here to present processor fungsi and structure. First, I'm introduction. My name is Aditya NPM 24322003. I'm studying University Technocrat Indonesia. Okay, let's do presentation. Processor function and structure. Processor are the branch of modern computation device responsible for executing instruction and performing calculation. Their function is to fetch, decode, and execute program code, managing data flow and system operation. Introduction to processor. 1. Fetching. The processor retrieves instruction and data from memory. 2. Decoding. The processor translates the instruction into the executable action. 3. Executing. The processor carries out the decode instruction performing computation and manipulating data. CPU component and architecture. Arithmetic logic unit. ALU perform mathematical and logical operation on data. Control unit CO manages the flow of instruction and coordinates the processor activity. 3. Register high-speed storage location for data and address used by the processor. Processor types and specification. Microprocessor, a single integrated circuit containing the CPU, the brain of a computer. Multi-core processor contains two or more independent processor cores and single chip. System on chip (SoC) integrates multiple components, including the CPU on single chip. Graphic Processing Unit GPU, special processor optimized for handling complex graphic and visual computing tasks. Instruction set execution. One instruction fetch the processor types and specification. Microprocessor, a single integrated circuit contains the CPU, the brain of a computer system on a chip's SoC integrates multiple components including the video on single multi-core processor, containing two or more independent processor cores on single chip. Graphic Processing Unit GPU, special processor optimized for handling complex graphic and visual computing text. Instruction set and execution. Instruction fetch the processor retrieves instruction from memory. Instruction decode. The processor translates the instruction into executable action. Instruction execute. The processor carries out the decode instruction, performing computation and manipulating data. Memory hierarchy and performance. Just high speed, low latency memory that store frequently access data and instruction. Main memory RAM. Volatile memory that provide temporary storage for data and program code. Secondary storage this non-volatile store on large-scale long-term data retention. Multiprocessing and parallel computing. Symmetric multiprocessing (SM). Multiple identical processors share memory and communication channels. Multi-core processor. Single chip with multiple independent processor core. District computing. Multiple interconnect system collaborative to solve complex problems. Emerging processor technologies. Quantum computing use quantum mechanical phenomena to perform computation, promising exponential performance gains. Neuromorphic computing, inspired by the human brain, using specialized hardware to mimic neural network. Of visual computing use like base signal instead of electrical signal to perform computation. Constellation and key takeaway. Processor and are the fundamental components that power modern computing device. executing instruction, and managing data flow as technology advances. New professor architecture and design are emerging, promising significant performance improvement and compatibility. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.